Okay, so we did it all. We got us some free PLR ebooks. We got some free MRR ebooks from idplr.com. So you guys just go over there once you guys get that free subscription. You go over here, register for free, and you get the free ebooks and all that. And as I promised, we go over what was in the paid lifetime subscription, which at this time is on sale, but you never know. It might be $197 tomorrow. I don't know. But let's just go over some of the new releases that just came out. I just want to show you guys the dates on those. It's pretty awesome. I got the lifetime membership, and that's how I make my most money is off the bigger books here, but I do make some money off the smaller ones as well. The free ones, I make money off the free ones as well, so you guys can too. It's no problem. You just I suggest bundling them together and making a package deal out of them would be your best bet. That's the success I've had with them is bundling them. So let's look at this. So published December 23rd. Today, the time of recording is January 4th. So December 20th. All right. So let's go. We can scroll down through there. Let's get some boost your immune system. Big deal right now with the coronavirus. Zoom Master, online meetings. You can sell these things like hotcakes to people looking to learn how to use Zoom. So on and so forth. There's just Udemy recurring income right there. There's a book on how you guys can start making courses, so you guys can actually get some value out of this too. So I just want to show you some of the free stuff they had. What were we on right here? We're on Master. Let's go over to PLR. They also have giveaway ones where you can just give them away to kind of make it a package deal type things. Like, hey, you buy this, you get this free type thing. Here's some more December 31st. So that was like 4 days ago. 4 days ago on this one. So yeah, it's some really good stuff, and I kind of want to show you what the files come with that you get with that whenever you get the paid membership. I just think it's really cool. You do not have to get the paid membership. Let me repeat that. You do not have to get the paid membership for this, okay? So let's go to so this is a TikTok marketing one. Oops. So yeah, it's got all kinds of stuff. Training guide, cheat sheets. The training guide is going to be your ebook. We can check that out real quick. I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty? You guys can resell that, and then other people can use it. You can actually use this because TikTok's huge right now. And I didn't put this in the tutorial, but you could definitely start promoting on TikTok selling ebooks. So there's this is a great ebook here. It's got nice artwork in it, so on and so forth. And like I was saying before, you can use this read aloud feature for anything on
to follow other
ebook.
TikTok users.
So you just click where
If
you
they
want
are
to
in the
start
same
it.
niche as you, then this is a particularly good idea.
See,
There are
You can
actually
make
4
a,
ways that you can
voice clip of it, a certain section of it. Anyways, that's some of the things you can do. We can go back. Let's see what else is in there. Sales video. So we got front end sales video. Looks like they got that's the final right there. So let's check it out.
The TikTok social media platform has seen
So you
explosive
can use this
growth
to
over the
help
last few
sell
years.
the video
It now
too,
has 500 million users that
or
are
the
desperate for fun and
ebook
exciting
as well.
content.
So
And this is a
good
massive
stuff. So
opportunity
this
for
comes
you to
with
promote your
the
business.
premium package, and sometimes you'll catch these type of big packages in the free stuff too. So that's something you want to keep your eyes out for. Keep checking back because they do put free stuff up there all the time. They're constantly putting stuff up there. You get a lot of stuff with the paid, but one more other thing you can do with this IDPLR, you can do the affiliates. It's available with the free program too. That's another way to make passive income. With the free one, you get so much for every sign up, and if you are a lifetime member, you get a lifetime gold member. You get 20 cents for every person that signs up, I think, something like that. Anyways, so let's just go over one last thing to close this all out. Let's just go over the 7 steps to ebook reselling success, okay? So the 7 steps to success are: number 1, you got to access your free ebooks, and that's done over here at IDPLR. You got to choose an ebook and download it to your computer. We went over all those steps in earlier videos. So you unzip the file to view the ebook and promotional video, so you can prepare for how you're gonna promote it. Open Canva free version and create stunning media to use on your Fiverr gig. That includes videos, and we went over how to do voiceovers for the videos. So create multi-variation. Number 5, create multi-variation gigs on Fiverr with new promo material and multiple ebooks. Okay, so take multiple free ebooks, bundle them together, make a package out of it, make a cool video with it. I think you make 30-second videos over there on Fiverr. You can use that video to promote it on other social platforms as well. So yeah. Number 6, start sharing your gigs. Start sharing your listings, your ebook listings from Fiverr on social platforms. And I showed you guys how to start building a social network where you can start monetizing your Facebook page whenever you get so many followers and so many likes. Number 7, fill your ebook orders and start getting paid today. All right, so you might throw a bundle together and somebody might stumble across it and say, "Oh my goodness, that's amazing!" Or you guys were promoting it on Facebook, and somebody stumbled across it and said, "You know what? I'm going to give this a shot. I've heard so much about it." Just like you guys have taken this course, and I appreciate you guys' time for sticking with me all the way to the end. This will be the end of the video, the end of the tutorial, and check out my other courses, and thank you.